Ontology is used in research to ensure a shared and consistent conceptualization of reality, providing a clear foundation for approaching a study. It ensures that there's a consistent framework and description of information. Two key ontologies are Objectivism and Constructivism. Quantitative research tends to align itself more with Objectivism, assuming there is one single truth which exists as an objective concept. For example, we can study how effective a treatment technique such as joint mobilization is at improving joint range of movement, and irrespective of the patient's perceptions of the treatment, we'll be able to objectively assess whether this technique really does improve range of movement in the patient. This is an objective finding that can be measured and analysed. Constructivism, however, believes in multiple truths and seeks to understand or find an explanation or meaning rather than just cause and effect, and thus lends itself more towards qualitative research, where participants' beliefs and experiences are explored. For example, if we find that manual therapy does significantly improve range of movement, what's the patient's experience of that? Did they feel reassured by the technique? Did they have confidence in the person applying the technique? And did they feel the technique was beneficial? Although their range of movement may have improved, how did this impact upon their day-to-day function? Did they feel they could now do more with less pain, or was the improvement in their range arbitrary to them? Did they find the technique uncomfortable, and therefore, despite the improvements in their range, do they actually feel this is not a treatment technique they'd want to experience again in the future? Ultimately, the effectiveness of the technique is dependent upon many different factors, and so there's not one conclusive truth. So when you're conducting research, it's important to know what type of study you intend to do so that you can choose the appropriate ontology. One approach is not better or worse than the other, they're simply different tools for different approaches.